Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. In this video we're going to go through my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. One of them for me. Okay, so this is the bag it comes in. Looks very similar to our May Glam Bag, the original one. I'm going to take everything out of here. I believe this is this is definitely a skincare heavy bag. It's pretty crazy. Anyway, so yes, this is the cute bag. Not that I need the bag. I wouldn't be upset at all if they got rid of it. And let us see if the card actually has information. No, it doesn't. No information on this card, so I don't have anything to tell you about the products in here. So anyways, so I'm gonna be on vacation when you see these videos. I'm pre-recording. I woke up really early because my husband's snoring today. Little mad about that. So anyways, so the first thing in here, this is a smaller version of what I'm apparently getting in my Glam Bag X, which I have not got yet. I don't even have shipping notification. It still says in fulfillment. Anyways, this is Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner, Pore Purifying Mask. There we go. I've seen some people comment on the Ipsy group saying that it smells terrible, but it works. So I might actually take that with me. I might throw it in my purse just to try it out. Actually, yes, I will do that. Okay, and the next thing I'm pulling out, this is a Vita Brid C12 Face Brightening Stabilized Vitamin C Skin Care Application something. It's it's this box right here. It's taped oddly enough on the side. I'm gonna open this up. Sort of destroying the box, but that is okay. Yeah, really destroyed it. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, so we got a little card that was inside of it. Interesting. Anyways. Okay, open it up. Wow, you have even more information. Open it up like this. This is very, very involved. But it's just this little tiny thing. Wow. But again, can't tell you what it costs because I got no information here. Alright, the next thing we're pulling out is a Purely's Blush Glow BB cheek color. Okay, that's interesting. It's always funny where they have a sticker on top, but at the bottom. Oh, by the way, people are going a little hateful on that Little Prince video I did for the Urban Decay collection, saying I'm hating on it just because I'm anti-hauling it. That's not how that works. Yeah, so anyways, so this must be a full size. Oh, ew, oh, okay, I just squeezed it out and like it's separating. I don't know. And now we have, see that? And now we have a thing of color. Kind of gross, but okay. So this is the color it goes on my hand. I have never really used cheek products, so I don't know if I will use that. And then we have a Complex Culture, which I believe is owned by Ipsy. This is a lit up concealer. That's the color. I will swatch this on my hand. Ooh, that's a weird applicator. Look at that. Yeah, that's so weird. Okay. I already have concealer with me for my makeup I've taken with me, so I'm not going to do anything with that, but this is the color right here. It looks like a very good color match at least. Okay, and the last product I have here, this is a Maracuja Juicy Lip by Tarte in the color Rose. That is some weird packaging. Looks like we have a click button at the bottom. Yeah, that is that it? Yep. Oh, that's a little weird. But yes, we have a click bottom. Okie dokie. Ooh, it's very smooth feeling. It is very smooth feeling on the lips. Very, very. Okay. Well, again, I don't have any information because it's not on the card. But let me know what you got in your Ipsy below. Let me know what you thought of this bag. Actually, this is pretty decent. Pretty decent. A nice mix of products that I think I can actually use all of them. So yes, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like this video. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you already. Don't forget though, I do upload every single day because I am a crazy ass. So I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Talk to you later. Bye.